Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to deposit USD into Binance via your bank. There's no fees involved as well. So the way you go about this, you log into Binance, click on trade, and then click on P2P. We're going to be using the peer-to-peer platform. And then click here on buy, okay? And you can choose USDT. This one is basically pegged to the US dollar. And choose your currency. Here you will go ahead and just pick USD. Of course, you can search it up as well or just scroll and find it. So we've picked USD, okay, and then just agree to this content. Click on start trading. Choose your payment method. Now here you can choose bank transfer, okay. There's multiple different types of banks you can choose as well. You can see right here, you can just search it up. I'll just choose bank transfer and you'll see all the people that are basically selling USDT, basically US dollars, and you can just go and use them. So let's say you can also enter the amount you would like to, buy. So you get the correct order, the people that are available for those kind of order levels. So let's say you want to buy $100. This one is sufficient, just about $1 and 0.24 cents. Come here, click on buy USDT, enter the amount you want to buy, let's say 100, okay, and then of course you'll be using bank transfer. Then click on buy USDT, you'll make the transfer to their account. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.